Honor Robot Phone, a real change in the smartphone world, appeared at the MWC 2026 event today, showcasing its unique camera features. The robotic aspect of the phone is centered on a motorized, for degree of freedom gimbal integrated into the camera module. 3-axis gimbal camera, a triple camera setup including the 200MP motorized gimbal unit and 2 additional fixed lenses likely wide and ultra-wide. 200MP main sensor mounted on a mechanical arm that can extend, rotate, and flip to any angle, similar to a human neck. During video calls or filming, the camera can physically rotate 360 degrees to follow the user as they move around a room, maintaining visual awareness. Display likely a 6.71-inch OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Built using high-performance materials with 2800 MPa tensile strength, the same used in Honor's flagship Magic V6 foldable hinge, to ensure the robotic arm's durability. Feature a massive 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.